Okay, so here we have a Ferrari Mondial seat track rail. And the problem with these units is that they're used so often. Every time you get in and out of the car, they operate every time, and they get worn out. Now, actually, this particular unit here operates off of a motor that spins a reel, sucks it up into a scroll tape there, spits it out, and moves this trolley from end to end. At the end, there is a micro switch. At this end, there is a micro switch. They have to operate properly in order to signal the car that they know that this is operating properly. This is an additional unit we have for the other side of the vehicle over here. Right now, we're testing only this unit. We have it hooked up to some illuminations and an ohmmeter to indicate that the micro switches work properly. We've actually replaced the tape in this unit and made a minor modification to the scroll here. The scroll has more capability of storage of rolled up tape than necessary. An outer portion of it was broken. We simply moved it to the next inner rail. And now with lubrication and also repairing a jam in this area right here, we've got this thing working again. So in order to tell you how it all works, Matt, go ahead and describe what you're doing.
First, I'm just going to bump it so you can see this micro switch turning on. Right now, it's an open switch, but when I bump it and it comes off the end there, it will...
And there you see the needle move, okay?
Now I'm going to keep going down to the end, which is connected to this light right now. When it gets to the end, that light will go off.
Bingo.
Okay, and now I'll just reverse it and go back and forth a couple times to show that it works.
All right. So a new tape, a new location on the take-up reel scroll, pinned in there just as it was originally. It's firing both micro switches. We've eliminated the area that actually broke the portion of the scroll that we're no longer using right in here by actually spreading out a damaged portion of the rail right here. So it's all working, and we're thrilled. Thank you very much.